Hello people, real quick I want to show you how to record a transaction in which you get a refund from one of your vendors, and it's issued in terms of either a check that they give you or they just refund the transaction directly to your bank account. Either way, it's going to be recorded the same. All right, so the thing here is, issuing vendor credits. This is what we want to do. Now, vendor credits a lot of times will be applied to future transactions with that particular vendor, and they can credit towards other purchases with them. And a lot of the times you'll have it so that it doesn't get credited to future transactions, but it'll actually be refunded to you in the way of cash. All right, so either check or directly deposited into your account. So how do we do this? All right, so we have an example here. And what we want to do is something called create a $0 vendor credit. All right, so you want to create the vendor credit as normal. So you're going to have a first line here for whatever the actual expense line was for that transaction. For example, if you have truck repairs and maintenance, then you want to go ahead and create that category that was for the initial expense. And you can type a description in here if they say it was a cash refund or whatever type of refund, or was it just a credit towards a product. Sometimes we'll have multiple lines in here, and a portion of it will be credited toward purchases and the other portion will just be refunded via cash. That can happen as well. But you want to put the description here in the description line, and then for the amount that's going to be refunded. Okay. Now if it's refunded directly to your account, if they issue you a check, or if they, directly, ACH draft or a deposit inside of your account, you're going to create this second line here, going to your bank account that they're going to refund that to, or the bank account that you're going to deposit that check to. All right. The end result is you would create a $0 vendor credit, and you will have something in your bank feed to match this deposit amount for that total amount of the credit. Okay. So after that, you're just going to go over here and hit save and close, and you'll have a $0 credit that's here. Okay. So that's how to actually add it to your, record it to your QuickBooks, record it to your bookkeeping, to make sure that you can have it flow to the appropriate accounts when it shows up. If you have any questions about that, just comment below. Thanks for watching. Take care.